Transcribing is fun. Transcribing is fun. Transcribing is fun. Yeah, yeah.
So one crucial part of transcribing is singing. I'm not a singer, as Frank Sinatra sits over my left shoulder and watches on. I'm going to sing along with this Sonny Rollins transcription. If you can sing it, you can play it. Here we go. Ooh, man. Okay, I probably made some crazy faces, but who cares? We're learning, we're having fun. All right, time to play it. Try to sing all your transcriptions. Tag me in any transcriptions you're singing along with. I'd love to hear them and watch them. If you can sing it, you can play it.